Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox with a training video for affiliate marketing lesson number 9. How I earned $17,345 in 3 weeks, and you can too. Now, if you happen to be watching this video away from this Facebook group, not a problem. Just scroll down into the description of this video. There's going to be a link in there that will bring you to this Facebook group, lesson number 9. If you happen to be watching this video because you received an email, and this video is in the email, not a problem. And the email happens to be everything that you need to get into lesson number 9 and this Facebook group here. So let's get busy here. Like I've said, this is affiliate marketing lesson number 9, attraction marketing. The title, How I Earned $17,345.34 in 3 weeks, and how you can too, is several attention-getting titles I use to attract, thus the title, attraction marketing, the lesson attraction marketing, attract prospects to my affiliate offers. So in the previous training lessons, I covered these topics. Free Facebook video viral marketing system. Yes, I'll build you a Facebook group, and I will produce a video for your best money-making opportunity. Request your free power downline builder. The number one reason marketers fail. Find more reasons why marketers fail here in this lesson. Access to 2,000 free opportunity seeker leads. Make money watching videos, plus generate thousands of views for your videos. Students dissecting brains through the mail. Now, in lesson number 8, I covered this on the same subject, how to attract prospects to build your list. So this training lesson number 9, of course, if you found it and you're on this page here in Facebook group, what you want to do is click here to request your free, in fact, let's do that, to request your free viral marketing system. All you're going to do is put your first name here and your best email address here. And when you do register, you're going to receive a free 6-figure step-by-step ClickBank Warrior Plus JVZoo affiliate marketing training course. And of course, you're going to have access to all of these tools down here. Okay, let's get busy here. You are attracted to this video and or post or this Facebook group because of a few things here, a few reasons. You wanted to learn more about how I earned $17,345.34 in 3 weeks, and how you can too. You're an affiliate marketer and want to learn more about attraction marketing, or both. So now click here to access the free, and I think we have not been there yet. To access the free 6-figure email profits training course to learn how to use the titles below to help build your business. And of course, you can see some off-the-wall titles down here. And in training, the lesson number 8, I talked about these titles. Boy Eats Own Head, Freddie, Starr ate my hamster, Alton, attorney accidentally sues himself, Headless woman and topless bar, basking in the hatred of morons. The new millions in minutes plug-in. You got to check that one out. And of course, the topic of this lesson, how I earned $17,345.34 in 3 weeks, and how you can do the same thing. So let's click through here. If you have not already registered, you would do that here, register. If you already have an account, you'd click here, log in, which will take you over here. And the first thing you're going to see is the free access to 2,000 leads, which I covered in one of the previous lessons. And let's work our way down here to Six-Figure Email Profits. This is what we're going to be talking about here. It's a detailed email training course on how you can make a six-figure income with email marketing. So let's click through. Now, 50% of your income will come from email marketing. And a lot of newbies don't quite understand that. And I've talked about it in one of the previous training courses, how people just don't instantly land on your sales page and instantly join and buy. They don't do that. It takes 3 to 7 times of follow-up emails for you to get their attention and to make conversions into your money-making opportunities. And that's the reason, that's actually the number 2 reason why online marketers fail, is they do not build a list and they do not send out the right autoresponder email messages. And this is what this training course is all about. So as we come down here, the money's in the list is all that matters. Make sure you go there, study that. System tactics, well, this is what this lesson is all about. This topic here, this headline here, and the title of an email. Now, what's great about these emails back here, you can copy the content. You just come down here and copy the content and make this content your own for your follow-up emails. Have it all laid out here, and just like I say, change it to however you want it. You can tweak it, etc., etc. So there again, this topic is about how I make $17,000. I'm not going to spend too much time here other than to say, hey, come in here, read all about it, copy the content, and make this email your own. So let's see. We have to go back. Previous lesson, next lesson right here. Of course, the next lesson is sending daily emails. You must do that. And I get a lot of feedback saying, well, people don't want to be spammed. Well, you're not spamming them, number 1. And you're giving them very valuable information when you do send out the emails. And those people that get irritated, you don't want them on your list anyway, so get rid of them. Have them opt out. And I talk about that here in this training and in this lesson here. Let's go to the next lesson. Use subject lines that grab attention, like headless body and topless bar. Okay, we talked about that already. Here's some headlines here. So make sure you spend some time here going through this lesson here. And let's go on to the next lesson. Why email is top dog. And go to the next lesson. See how easy this is to go through the training here? The scariest commodity online. Oh, you're going to love this one. This is a great lesson. Okay, you have to spend some time back here going through this lesson. And in fact, I think we even have our President Trump back here. Okay, if you hate him or if you love him, you need to spend some time back here watching how I use some of these people here. And I'm sure you've seen a lot of these people here. Rich Man, Poor Man, Dad, and Bronson here. And learn how I use them to attract. Remember, this is all about attraction marketing. To attract prospects to my list. And let's go on to the next lesson. This information is rife in this business. If I only had a brain. Very informative here. You're going to love this one. Self-hating, clap-happy narcissists. These are headlines that you can use. All right? To attract people into your list. Let's go to the next lesson. Self-hosted autoresponder. Now, tomorrow's lesson is going to be about this. Email thousands daily with your own self-hosted autoresponder. So I'm not going to spend any time here. So since you're back here, I'd suggest going through some of this other training here that I have. ClickBank affiliate marketing, got leads, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, how to use bots, and branding. spend some time back here. Lots of good information on how to build your business. It's all free to use, all free to learn, all right? Working our way down here, I make a full-time living building Facebook groups. I try to build one every day. I'm probably closing in on 700 right now. And I'm probably closing in on 2,000 videos. You keep in mind that Facebook groups are virtually free. The groups are free to build. All you do is keyword those Facebook groups so people find you when they do a search on Facebook. And when they join, you can start. You can bring them into your list like I do. In fact, I have a live training room. When you become a Silver Fox JV member, I'll teach you how you can do exactly what I do to make a full-time living. So I make a living producing videos, in fact, just like this one. I'm going to keyword this one so it goes out there and attracts those who want to learn more about affiliate marketing. And, of course, my ClickBank products, my Warrior Plus products, my JVZoo products. Like I said, every day I make a Facebook group and video related to one of my many affiliate programs. And I have weight loss programs out there, and I have cosmetic programs from, I think I got a few from JVZoo. I mean, I've got just about every type of product and service that's embedded and offered through ClickBank. I have videos. I either give a review video on it or unboxing or some type of video, and I keyword it so when they find it and they say, hey, listen, I'm going to check out this weight loss program, and they buy it, I make money. So these Facebook groups and videos work for me 24/7, making me money on autopilot. It costs me virtually nothing to make these powerful money makers. 75% of my six-figure income comes from my YouTube marketing videos. It takes me about an average of an hour a day to make 2 to 3 videos a day using the software found by clicking here. And well, heck, I'll just click through, and you can take a free trial. It's a 7-day free trial. And if you become a Silver Fox JV member, I'll take you back into my training room, and I'll kind of show you. You can look over my shoulder and see how I do it every day. It's pretty easy to do. I just template one of these videos, and I just change out a few images, and I can virtually make a video like in 10 minutes. Okay, it's pretty easy to do. So I've been doing it for years. I have thousands of them out there. Like I say, test it out. After 30 days, you could have 30, 60, 90 videos working for you 24/7. So if you're struggling trying to make money online with your ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or whatever money-making opportunity that you happen to be working, you should probably consider becoming a Silver Fox JV member. And I'll personally work with you, and you can look over my shoulder and I'll show you how I do it. If you have questions, you can private message me in the Facebook group found here. Silver Fox JV members, viral YouTube lead generating videos, team build. And yes, as a team, we help each other out by sharing the videos and commenting on the videos. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to share with you the affiliate marketing lesson number 10. Email 1,000 daily with your own self-hosted autoresponder. And as you know, it's not easy emailing using Aweber or using some of those other what are some of those other ones out there, the autoresponders out there. How the big time money makers do it is they actually have their own self-hosted autoresponder where they can take leads from Lead Gen Secret. Of course, I showed you, and I had a training on Lead Gen Secret in one of my previous training lessons. You just take those leads from Lead Gen Secret, or you can buy leads, and you can insert them into your self-hosted autoresponder, And nobody is going to say, hey, listen, you're spamming, or you can't do this, or you can't upload 1,000 leads a day in Aweber. If you have your own self-hosted autoresponder, this is the way that you do it right here. And I'm going to be talking about that tomorrow. And if you have found your way here into this Facebook group, lesson number 9, and you want to start from the beginning, you're going to come down here and you're going to click here, Affiliate Marketing Training Lesson number 1. It's actually the intro. Okay? Okay, you know what to do. Until my next training video, let's go make some money.